please dismiss hers. I spoke with Corporal Lightfoot. She's the first one for trial. He doesn't recall.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Mr. Warbling, your client has some other matters that I think are in warrant status. What did you want to do with these?
I didn't know what tickets are those, Judge? I'm sorry. They're not up for today.
They're not up for today. He has warrants for them.
Okay. Can we set those for a future date?
Yeah. Did you want to set them for a bench trial?
That'd be fine. Thank you so much, Judge.
Okay.
Okay, good deal. And then we'll if they all go together, but we'll dismiss on the one that's on the docket for today, Your Honor. The people will be moving to dismiss, as he has he's waiting for sentencing, as you may know, Your Honor, on a VI that he pled to recently.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I just was trying to look them all up.
Okay.
And of course, the ones that I see. This is the one that's not.
Instead of just writing notes that said all people were trying.
Yeah, I am. I was just trying to make sure I got. Okay, I got them all. Yes, I have them all. All right, so we're gonna set these other matters for trial, and then we'll dismiss this one. All right, this is the people versus Juan Delgado Valdez, ticket number 22743571. Count 1, driving while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Oh, you're muted, Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Okay, I'm here again. Este es el ticket del señor Juan Delgado Valdés, ticket número 227435-711. Es el caso del señor Juan Delgado Valdés con el cargo de manejar sin haber nunca adquirido una licencia. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Ben Warbling, Your Honor, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Ben Berwin, su señoría, número 64889, representando al acusado.
Mr. Delgado, say your name, sir.
Señor Delgado, diga su nombre, señor.
Juan Delgado Valdés.
Juan Delgado Valdés.
All right. And Ms. Hernandez, did you say your name?
My name is Emma Hernandez, Your Honor, SCAO qualified Spanish interpreter.
It's my understanding that there is a recommendation to dismiss this matter, Mr. Warbling.
That's correct, Judge. I believe it was the same incident as the OWI.
Sí, su señor, hay una recomendación para desestimar este caso, señor Warbling. Sí, su señoría, eso es lo que entiendo, y sucedió el mismo día del otro ticket de manejar mientras que estaba tomado.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause?
¿Puede estipular para la causa probable?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
So that matter is dismissed without prejudice. There are some other tickets in warrant status, so I'll call them. Ticket number P877219, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, driver's license never acquired.
También hay otros números, el PSP 8772119, de no tener licencia, y el otro de no haber obtenido nunca una licencia.
Ticket number 19461-322, provide false info to police.
Y el otro es 19461-322.
And then ticket number 19461-321, count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, drove unregistered motor vehicle, and count 3, drove uninsured motor vehicle.
Y el otro 19461-321, cargos 1 y 2, sin tener seguro y sin tener registro.
You want to set these for bench trial, Mr. Werbling?
¿Quiere llevar estos tickets para un juicio por jurado, señor Weblin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Delgado.
Señor Delgado, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí,
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Baje la mano.
You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene el derecho a tener un juicio por juez.
jury.
A jury trial, Your Honor,
Yes.
por un juicio por jurado.
Sí,
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
¿Y alguien le ofreció algo, le amenazó o le dijo algo para que usted cediera su derecho de tener un juicio por jurado?
no,
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set these matters for a bench trial date for February 24th at 9 o'clock.
Entonces la corte va a aceptar su declaración de culpabilidad y va a mandar entonces este caso para el próximo día para el juicio el día 24 de febrero. ¿At what time, Your Honor?
9 o'clock?
By Zoom?
Yes.
Gracias, thank you. El día 24 de enero, señor, a las 9 de la mañana por Zoom. Y el otro ticket por el que estaba aquí al principio, el 22 743571, fue estimado sin prejuicio.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Está listo, señor, que tenga buena suerte. Ya se puede retirar.
gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Have a great day.
thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, everybody. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez. Mr. Rucker, are you ready on some matters? You're muted, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, if you want to call Ms. Daniel Reeves and also Katina,
Red.
right,
Tia Red.
Katina Reed, I believe.
Got a Tia Red. Corporal Lightfoot, Miss Lexis Davis is not checked in.
Okay,
So I don't know, you want me to just call it, even if she doesn't show up and, I don't know, what do you want? Or
Yes, Your Honor. Okay, so we'll do that.
Right, so you can go.
Yeah, Your Honor, in all honesty and transparency, the people would move to dismiss even if she was capious. Corporal Lightfoot does not recall this matter at this time. It's been 2016.
I'll call it. This is People versus Lexis Davis, ticket number 162601411, count one, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Corporal Lightfoot, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Corporal Daryl Lightfoot, badge 769.
Your Honor, at this time, after speaking with Corporal, there's no recollection of this matter. It was an incident that happened in 2016, so the people would move to dismiss.
The court will dismiss it. Actually, this matter was dismissed November 30th, 2022. I don't know what happened, but I put another stamp on it. So,
Okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you, Corporal.
All right, thank you, man.
all right.
Okay, I'll be right back. Go to-
Ms. Rouse, who did you speak with? Ms. Vinek or Mr. Rucker? Did you speak to a man or did you speak to a woman, or have you spoken to anyone, Ms. Rouse? You're all set, Corporal Lightfoot.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Rouse, did you speak to someone?
Yes, I did.
Was it a man or a woman?
A woman.
Did she tell you to come out?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, and then when she comes out, I will give you. And where did Mr. Red, I'll put you back in the waiting room. Oh, no, he must be ready. Mr. Rucker, who else did you want out?
Well, you know, Your Honor, it's Katina Dean and Danielle Reeves, not Miss Red, Katina
Okay,
Dean.
Ms. Red, can you go back to your breakout room?
Okay, how do I go there?
Here, I'll put you in room number 14.
Okay.
Sorry to take on y'all.
That's what I gave you. Katina Dean.
You get me ready. Okay, so you need Dean and who else? Who else did you need, Katina Dean? You might have to go get her. Oh, she's out. Did you need anyone else, Mr. Rucker? You're muted.
Oh, no, ma'am, I'm sorry.
Just Ms. Dean?
Yes.
Yeah. And then,
Okay, this is-
Daniel Reeves.
You need Danielle Reeves?
Yes.
You might have to go get her. She's not coming out.
Okay. I'll go get her.
I gave you Daniel Reeves.
All right.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While question session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around. Ms. Dean, could you please remain into the camera? When your name is called, could you please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court? Ms. Dean,
Yes.
please remain in the camera, please.
The phone is kind of low, so that's why I keep putting it to my ear.
Okay, we'll try to speak up loud, but we need to see your face. All right, this is the People versus Katina Dean, ticket number P1366146, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mr. Rucker.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Ruck on behalf of Miss Katina Dean. Miss Dean, state your name.
Katina Dean.
Your Honor, today is date time set for a pretrial. My client would like to go forward with the proposed offer whereby she would be pleading under a delayed sentence of 3 months.
Okay,
Is
raise your
that
right hand.
understanding, Ms. Dean?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dean. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Rucker in private about your case and your rights.
I'm sorry, can I put the phone to my ear? I didn't hear you.
Yes, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Rucker in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I did.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, they didn't.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 25th, 2022 at 10:34 a.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2014 Ram vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, so you have 3 months to pay the fine, $100, and you can't get any more tickets. So essentially no further police contact. You do all of that, you come back on your next court date, which is May 9th at 8:35. This will be dismissed off your record. Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, So it's gonna be on Zoom. So your next court date, May 9th, 8:35 on Zoom. You're all set,
Okay.
ma'am. Good luck. Good luck.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right,
you.
this is the people versus Danielle Reeves, ticket number P125332. Count one, drive a license suspended. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your
Good
Honor.
morning.
Tyrone Rupp on behalf of Ms. Reeves. Ms. Reeves, state your name.
Danielle Reeves.
Your Honor, today is date time set for a pretrial. We have reached an agreement whereby my client would agree to plead to the amended charge of improper plates, and counts 1 and 3 would be dismissed. I did check with Ms. Horn, and that's why there was a change. Initially, if you see on the form, she was pleading to 1, but we amended that to improper plates, and they would dismiss 1 and 3, and count 2 would be amended to improper plates.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Reeves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Rucker, in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Cabinet Director attention to the date of September 20th, 2021 at 5:19 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Cadillac and Harper Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
It was, yes, ma'am, unregistered and untitled. It was unregistered. I had a title.
You're satisfied, Mr. Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court's not satisfied the factual basis will amend count 2 to improper plates. You stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulate.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Reeves. Can you have that fine paid by March 9th?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Vinik, you're ready on Ms. Rouse and Ms. Dawson?
I'm ready on a few things, Your Honor, actually. I'm ready on, we can do Ms. Rouse. Let's just see. Why don't we start at the top? Toya Denham. Well, we could do Ms. Rouse. We could do Ms. Rouse. That's fine. Why don't we do Ms. Rouse?
No, I mean, I can bring them all out. Just tell me who you're ready on.
Okay, we could do Ms. Rouse.
But who else do I need to bring out?
Oh, okay. Toya Denham emailed me, so we're ready on her. She emailed me insurance and driver's license, so we're ready on her. I have not spoken with the city attorney. She just emailed me the paperwork on herself.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Let me see who else. I'm ready on her. I'm ready on Demira Dawson.
Okay, she's out.
And I'm ready on Joseph Durham.
She's out.
And Eric Rogers is a confusion. Eric Rogers, there's a little bit of a confusion. There was an offer. He states he's already pled. So there's a confusion there with him.
Eric Rogers was given additional time to pay to do 30 hours of community service.
Yeah, okay, because on here it gave me an offer and it was like, he's like already pled.
Can we call Ms. Green to see if he did here? We'll check to see if he did his community service.
Okay, if not, we could just maybe give him more time, but otherwise I'm ready on those. And again, the one that I told you about, I've got the email. I just haven't shown it to anybody, but we can discuss that on the record.
It's fine. As an officer of the court, I'll accept, if you've seen it, I'm okay with what you
Okay.
say. So that was it, just Rouse. You're gonna have to go and get Miss Denham. She's in room number 8. She's not coming out.
No, it's Joseph Durham.
Toya Denham, did you say you were ready on her?
Yeah, Toya Denham, I'm ready on. I can go grab her.
Thank you.
Thanks. Let me go grab her.
She is show cause. No, she's a arraignment on the bench.
I'm here. Hello.
Just wait for your case to be called.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. But there will be no walking around, driving, eating, sleeping, talking, smoking. When your name is called, please give your honor and full divided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Demira Dawson, ticket number U629-26622, count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Demira Dawson.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, appearing on behalf of Demira Dawson. My P number is 53750. Your Honor, at this time, this is set for, there's been an offer which has been tendered to my client. My client understands that she has a right to have a trial, and at this time, she does wish to avail herself of the offer. And the offer is that she would be pleading guilty. There would be a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Dawson.
It's Ray.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Vinek, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
You said have anybody threaten me?
Yes, threatened you, forced you,
No.
or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 24th, 2022 at 3:25 a.m. On that date and time, we at or near Learned and Bovian in the city of Detroit.
Can you repeat that? I need a little clarity. Can you repeat that, please?
I'm gonna direct your attention to April 24th, 2022 at 3:25 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Learned and Bovian in the city of Detroit?
2022. Yes.
Did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Vinek?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis and will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine because this is a 3-month delayed sentence. You have 3 months to pay this fine of $200. You cannot get any more tickets or citations. So essentially, no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date of May 9th at 8:35, and you've paid the fine, no more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions?
Okay, will the court be on Zoom May 9th, 8:35?
Yes, ma'am.
And also, how do I pay the $200 fine?
You can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city and CVS or Myers. DivDat, DIV as in Victor, DAT as in Tom. You can also download that app. You can pay it over the phone. You can come down to the courthouse. I can give you the phone number if you'd like.
Okay, yes, I need the phone number.
Are you ready?
Yes.
855-798-1547.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you, bye.
Last name she did.
It was in lieu of the fine. He did pay.
No.
So he was supposed to do fines. Did he, I mean, he was supposed to do 30 hours. Did 30 hours. Yes, that ain't.
Well, he did the first part.
It wasn't the first. All right, I'm sorry. This is the people versus Ladisha Rouse, ticket number SP 1357073, count 1, no insurance. Count 2, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the
Good
record,
morning.
oh, go ahead.
Good morning, LaDeja Rouse.
And for the record, Your Honor, good morning, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of LaDeja Rouse. Your Honor, at this time, my client is requesting a bench trial in this matter. She is waiving right to have a jury.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rouse. Do you
Yes.
swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Or you put your hand down? You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for February 24th at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
okay, no questions.
All set, good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. This is the people versus Joseph Durham, ticket number U22158015, count 1, enter vacant building without written authorization. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa
Joseph
Vinik,
Durham.
Let the attorney go first and then you go ahead, Mr. Durham.
for the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Joseph Durham. Mr. Durham, will you please state your name for the record?
Joseph Durham.
Thank you. Your Honor, at this time, I have spoken with my client and there has been a resolution. My client will be tendering a plea to disorderly conduct. The original charge will be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Durham. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Coming to direct your attention to the date of November 12th, 2015, I'm sorry, October 30th, 2015 at 2:45 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 20461 Mendota in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you enter that vacant building without written authorization?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Vinik?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to disorderly conduct. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Durham. Can you have that fine paid by March 9th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Toya Denham, ticket number SP 121-479, count 1, allowing a licensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Toya Denham. Ms. Denham, will you please state your name for the record?
Toya Denham.
Thank you. Your Honor, at this time, my client has forwarded to me a copy of a Michigan temporary driver's license. This was on the driver whose name was Ryan Joseph Craig. The expiration date on this was April the 6th, 2023. In addition to that, my client has tendered to me a copy of insurance. The effective date on this was August the 23rd, 22. The expiration date is February the 23rd, 23.
All right, so how does she wish to plead as to count one? Or how does she wish to proceed as to count one?
At this time, and just for the record, the insurance is on a Chevrolet Cruze year 2018. So Your Honor, what we are asking for is a dismissal.
Of count two?
Of count two, as well as, I believe that the first count was,
Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
right. However, the driver had a driver's license. As I said, there was a driver's license that was presented from a Ryan Joseph Craig, who was the driver who had a driver's license. The expiration on the driver's license shown here is in April 6, 2000.
Yeah, it sounds like a question of fact. I mean, she's saying, oh, such and such was driving, here's his license. I mean, how do we know that? How do you, it sounds like she would have to either prove that or she has to talk to the prosecutor.
We can speak to the prosecutor. We can wait for the city attorney to show that.
What do we call it?
He's
What
in
do we
court
call it?
right now as well.
What do we call it? Who?
Okay. So we need to put her back in. Okay.
She can rejoin her breakout.
She can go back into a breakout room. Let me put her back.
You ready on anything, Mr. Rocker? Mr. Rogers didn't complete, we can bring out Mr. Rogers. He didn't complete his community service.
He did not complete it. Right. He needs some more time.
Your Honor,
Yes.
yeah, I think I need some more offers. I did speak with Durham, Joshua Durham. Melissa, did you talk with Mr. Durham?
I did. Mr. Durham, hold on one second. I think he's already done. Mr. Durham is already done.
There were two Durhams. There's the Joshua Durham and there's the Joseph Durham. We just did Joseph Durham. You're probably speaking to Mr. Joshua Durham.
Correct. So we're ready to go with him, but heads up, Your Honor, he says this case was already adjudicated.
Mr. Rogers, we'll call
Yes.
your case. This is the People versus Eric Rogers, ticket number U6006512. Count one, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please. Just Mr. Rucker, can you just state your name for this one?
Conrad Rucker on behalf of Mr. Eric Rogers.
Say your name, Mr. Rogers.
Eric Rogers.
All right, you need more time. You you did 10 hours, you need to still do 20 hours. So
Yes.
how much time you need to do the 20 hours?
Well, right now, Your Honor, I have another court date for tomorrow and the 13th for retail fraud.
How much time do you need to do 20 hours, sir? You need a month?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll give you a month. So we'll come back on March 27th. I mean, March 7th at 8:35.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set. You can hang up.
Ms. Denham, you can tap your device and rejoin your breakout room. Tap your device
Okay.
and rejoin the breakout room.
Okay.
You can hang up, Mr. Rogers. You're all set, sir.
Okay, I'm trying. I'm trying to.
Here, I'll remove you. Joshua Durham, who else are you ready on? Mr. Rucker.
Are you speaking to me, Judge?
Yes, Mr. Rucker, who else are you ready on?
We can call Mr. Joshua Durham. I need a offer on Mr. Daniels. He has an awful lot. I don't see anything. And I think Caprice Davis also needs one. Offer. And Dennis Diller.
Did you get an offer on Daniel? Did she have an offer?
I just forwarded it to the attorney, so it's not one in here.
Can you email it to me?
Mhm.
Let me see.
She said she emailed you the offer. You don't see it? I'll email it to you.
And who else? You said you need offer on Daniels, and who else?
Dennis Dillard and Jalen Dye, D-Y-E, and a Melina Robinson. And a Marcus Robinson. And I think also Ruffin. I'm trying to check back through the list here.
Okay, Dye is proper place. That's his offer. Improper, it's no offer in proper place. Clear that. All right, and then who else did you say? Dennis Dillard, his offer is OWI impaired, visibly impaired.
Okay.
And who else? Ruffin?
Yeah. Melina Robinson.
Okay, Ruffin, his will be improper, Dion Ruffin, improper place.
Okay.
Melina Robinson, hers will be 3-month delayed sentence. I guess it's anyone else? And,
Marcus Robinson. Marcus Robinson, Your Honor.
Marcus Robinson.
Last page.
Did you have an offer for Josh? You said you're ready on Joshua Brown, right?
Right. Because he's indicating that was taken care of.
Is it?
Basically, what he's saying, Your Honor, from what I could gather, is when he was last here, he presented the proofs that he has today, and they dismissed it. He said something happened with the computer system, but he has those same proofs.
It was set for a bench trial today. It was set for bench trial. No, scheduled for an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Yeah, he's saying this is his like second or third time being here, and this was taken care of.
That's the thing, he hasn't appealed. It's never been, no, it hasn't been addressed. He's never appeared.
He seems to be quite certain, and
It's not, so.
Yes, I'm certain because I remember when I had got the documents for sure, and I came into court and I did the same procedure when I went into the break room and I sent that email, the proof to it.
Do you have your documents
Yes,
with you now?
I do have those documents, ma'am.
Put them up to the screen, put them up to the screen.
Okay, so can I send it to an email?
Yeah, you can email them, you can email them. Yes, who do you want to email them to?
Okay, hold on, let me put in the email.
To Mr. Rucker.
Lawman, LAWMAN 0000 at att.net.
Okay, hold on. I'm typing it in. LAW Lawman.
4 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4.
At att.net.
At att.net.
Sir.
Okay, email them and then we'll see. Okay. So you got those offers. It's gonna be a minute. We gotta wait for Ms. Horn to come back for,
Okay, so I'll go in and talk with the offers I just got just now.
okay.
All
Ms.
right.
Finance, put in-
I need some offers myself. Laurel Dean, she has no insurance,
Improper plates.
improper plates, okay. And hold on one second.
Who's doing Marcus Robinson? That's failed to display.
Okay, improper plates. What about, Caprice Davis, what happened to Caprice Davis? Okay, what about, Katia Red, REDD, no insurance misdemeanor,
No, improper plates.
improper plates, okay. Improper plates is no points, right? No points, just a fine, that's it. Let's just see, Eric Rogers. Did we ever figure out what was going on with Eric Rogers?
Yeah, I gave him, we did it. I just gave him another month to do 20 hours.
Oh, so he's done. Okay. So he's done. All right. That one hired an attorney. That's improper play. It's hired an attorney. All right, let me go talk. And is Caprice